Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day. Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. I am Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. Today I'm going to share with you my favourites for August. Before we get started with my August favourites, I just want to say, how are you doing? I hope you're all safe and well and you're happy. And also for the shameless plug, if you like my videos, please do give them the thumbs up, love. Hit the subscribe button, ring my bell, join me for all of my shenanigans. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Today is the last day to enter my Instagram giveaway. You've only got a few hours left, kids. I'll link the Instagram giveaway video down below, or you could go straight to my Instagram at StyledByGwenny, look for this post and follow the instructions. Time's a ticking. Right, so August. Wow, what a month. You wouldn't think it from the wind raging outside, but we had a heat wave here in the UK, and we're really not set up for a heat wave here in the UK. We don't have air conditioning and all that kind of stuff. We do have a portable air conditioning unit now that hubby found one. And as soon as that arrived, the weather changed. It's been cold, it's been rainy, it's been windy ever since. So we've had a bit of everything really, but during the heat wave, these are the things that got me through. These are my Dancing Leopard jumpsuits. I've had this one for a few years. I bought this one a few months ago and they're amazing. I thought these had gone out of stock, but they've released a whole new load, so I will link those down below. Everything I can link will be linked down below. So I have my Dancing Leopard jumpsuits to keep me cool. I also have my fans. Fabulous. I've got 3 fans dotted around the place. I like to take one with me when we travel as well. And they're just right for just a little bit extra breeze on the sofa of an evening. And to help sleep and get through those hot sticky nights, we have a ceiling fan, but I also used one of my IKEA spray bottles. I use this for ironing normally. I use this spray bottle, kept it by the side of the bed, periodically spray it down my body, let the fan cool it down. Absolutely brilliant. And another heatwave favourite of mine is a tiny ice cream. These Magnum Minis are just the right size. I will always favour savoury over sweet, but in hot weather, after dinner, tiny little cheeky one of these. Glass of water before bed, lovely stuff. I definitely recommend the mint ones for maximum cooling down capabilities. Kind of connected with the heat wave, but not really, because it's much more of an everyday thing or every few days thing, is I've been using this deodorant for a couple of years now, just coming up for 2 years. It is called Nude, and it is a, well, it's in everything. It's kind to the environment, it's kind to you, it's kind to recycled packaging, all sorts of things. It's also vegan friendly, and it's like a cream that you pop on your armpits every few days. It doesn't stop you from sweating, because sweating is natural and normal and good for the body, but it does stop you from smelling. Now, I'm quite a sweaty lady, and BO has been something I've been concerned about a lot throughout my life. And I know this is something that people don't generally talk about on these kind of luxury channels and what have you, but to be honest, to be able to go 3 days without smelling is a damn luxury for me. And yeah, I absolutely love this product. I put some on today, which is why I remembered to add it to my favourites, but also I need to get some more. This one tube normally lasts me 4 or 5 months, about that. You really have to put a teeny tiny bit on. I'll link it down below, you can go and check it out. Up until now it has been just pop it on your finger and then pop it on your bits, but they have developed an attachment that you can put on, squeeze out a little bit and then use the attachment to rub it on if you're the kind of person who doesn't like to get it all on your fingers, but personally I don't really mind about that. Brilliant product, game changer, life changer. I ran out of my Clarins eye cream a few weeks ago, and I put the word out on Instagram and said, ladies, is there a product you can recommend? I wasn't bored of it, I wasn't feeling the benefit of it anymore, and it was also in one of those little pump tube things, so you couldn't actually tell when you were close to running out, and it always took me by surprise and it really annoyed me. So I put the word out on Instagram, said, ladies, give me your recommendations for eye creams. Most people came back with a Korean brand called Laneige. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. So I went looking for it, can't get it in the UK. Or I could get it from Amazon, but shipping costs would be like 20 or 30 pounds, ridiculous. So I was mooching around doing the food shop and I was picking up a couple of like skincare things in there. And I found this L'Oreal Age Perfect. He's off again, he's off again. I picked up this L'Oreal Age Perfect, or Perfect. This was kind of a panic purchase because I was completely out of eye cream, but I chose this partly because it was on sale, also because it was age related and I'm in mid-40s, but mostly because it was in this pot where you could just dip your finger in and take what you need. So you can actually see how much product you were getting and not relying on a pump to squirt out as much or as little or press it too hard or whatever. So that has actually been, I mean, it goes on beautifully. It feels really nice. It's kind of got almost like a glow to it as well, which is lovely. So I'm not sure if I'm going to stick with that for the foreseeable, but certainly for the time being, it has been an excellent stopgap. Something that's been a bit of a revelation to me this month, and something that's become an absolute favourite just of all time, is using my beautiful Louis Vuitton mini pochette accessoire as a teeny tiny crossbody handbag. I had seen others use her in this way, but I'm quite a large lady and I thought she would look ridiculous on me, but I'm using the Louis Vuitton 12mm non-adjustable vachetta strap, and it's the perfect size for this little piece. It's not too chunky, it's not too thick, and surprisingly it looks pretty good on my frame. Now obviously I can't get my phone in here, but what happened was hubby and I went to the golf shop to pick up some golf things, and I didn't need to take that much because we were taking his card, so I just wanted to make sure I had a few little essentials that I would normally carry around. Basically I wanted to take just this and my phone, so I popped the crossbody on it, popped it on, stuck my phone in my back pocket of my jean shorts, and off we went, and epic. Absolutely loved it. Now you can see in here I have got one of my beautiful little dress up your purse pieces. Now while I haven't been going out that often, when I have been going out to do the food shop or go to get my hair cut, yes, I got my hair cut and coloured, so when I have been going out to do things like that, I have been making the point of using a different bag and dressing them up. So here's another couple of little pieces from Dress Up Your Purse. This is a very soft pink Louis Vuitton Kirigami-esque mini pouch, and I love these so much. I'm in the process of compiling my next order with the beautiful, wonderful Melody. Oh, and what's this? What's she hiding? It's the perfect matching pink Dior Backstage Blush in Rosy Glow. This, instant love. Absolute instant love. I love how it gives me that rosy glow, as the name may suggest. It's lovely, it's pink, it's light, it's buildable, uppable, it's not too strong on the first swish with a blusher, and as far as I'm concerned it absolutely knocks my Charlotte Tilbury cheek to cheeks out of the park. So happy I tried this. When I did venture out to do some shopping after having a lovely, lovely massage, I tell you what, hairdresser, massage, those have been two of my favourite things this August, being able to do those things again, albeit differently, strange kind of atmosphere, just being able to get out and do those again. Fantastic. When I did a little bit of shopping afterwards, I used my House of Neon bag of shopping tote, lightweight, carries a ton, absolutely love it. I have used this a few times going to do the food shop, but to be honest it's quite slim, like the base of it is quite slim, so while it holds a lot of flat stuff, so folded up clothes or shoe boxes, no problemo. And these handles, these shoulder straps, so comfy. Even when she's fully loaded, I love this bag. I would recommend everyone go out and buy one of these totes from House of Neon. Do it now! Next up are a couple of jewellery pieces, and they're from Ana Luisa, and I will link my unboxing down below. One of them is this little chain extender. You can see the difference in chain there. Don't know how long that is. I don't think I measured it last time. Is this gonna work? There you go, it's about that long. But it has meant that I've been able to comfortably wear my name necklace for more than half an hour without it being uncomfortable and stabbing me in the throat. So that is an absolute favourite straight in off the bat. Also with the Huggies I bought from Ana Luisa. Now I may have immediately placed another order for more of them, so I have more of them, and I have 2 in this side, and I now have 3 in this side. Don't they look fabulous? All lined up. I wanted to get some more piercings going up here, so I've got like a whole row of them. Absolutely beautiful. Recommend those as well. And the last favourite thing for August is a big thing, a big life change for me and my husband, is becoming cat parents again. We lost our beautiful Izzy cat. She made a tiny guest appearance in one of my early videos. Do you want to be internet famous? Do you want to be internet famous? I love you, but you have to go away now. Like most Louis Vuitton canvas pieces, it is entirely out of stock, online and in store. She doesn't understand why I'm interested in it at all. Baby girl, can you let mummy do her? We were absolutely devastated to lose her, and we were lost without her teeny tiny cat, big cat energy in the house. So within a couple of weeks we started the search for some more rescue cats. Izzy was a rescue cat and we had her for 8.5 years. But with lockdown, the demand for rescue pets and actual purchased pets has been through the roof. Every time we found kittens or cats on the rescue websites, they were already reserved. 2.5 weeks ago, I was doing the daily afternoon search because we were checking the websites morning and afternoon most days, and 2 little kittens showed up. They're very scaredy little cats. They are Daisy and Lily, and they have taken over our spare room. It's going to take a little while and a lot of work to get them confident enough to be able to be handled and to let them out into the rest of the house. We're so impressed with how their confidence has come along in just a few days that we've had them. And we are just so happy to have that cat energy in the house again and to have fur babies to look after. And on that totes emoji final point, I'm going to wrap up my August favourites. I really hope you enjoyed it. If there's anything else you want to know about any of the items that I've shown, please check the description box down below for links first off, and then drop me a comment and let me know what your favourites have been this August. If you have enjoyed this video, please do give it the thumbs up love. Hit that subscribe button, ring my bell, join me for my next set of shenanigans, whatever they may be. Until then, stay safe, be happy, look after yourselves, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye!